Good morning, purposive team. No, since some of the list of the section is malapit na kaming matapos. No? So, inisa-isa talaga natin. So, yung iba, they are trying to enhance their score. Malinaw po yan sa aking explanation. Ang advantage po ng team MTH ay naisa-isa ko kasi meron kaming OL. Team TF, wala na akong galaw this coming Friday. Kung hindi ko po matatapos ngayong i-segregate kasi nasa annex pa yung laptop ko, is this Friday after the exam. Kagandahan lang ay na unti-unti na at yung mga pasok sa community na hindi kumilos, nagsikilos na. So, advantage po yun. Next was comparative narrative. No? Yung comparative narrative feedback nyo was composed of 2 paragraphs only, 5 sentences. Yellow pad lang yan, written. Yung pong YouTube nyo, no, you describe your journey on YouTube and at the same time, failed kayo sa YouTube Wala namang pasok dun sa paradigm ng successful. So, all you're just describing and compare it sa live streaming. So, sa live streaming, mixed emotions yan, no? Majority naman nung natuto na-appreciate naman at nakagraduate na, umalis na sila sa community. So, yung mga kinasusuklaman, eventually, yung suklam na suklam sa subject ko, nakatapos naman. So, ang content po ng structure dun sa yellow pad was 2 paragraph, 5 sentences. At dun sa latter part, hindi na to part ng sentence nyo ha. Yung pong numbers, no, of each video and the total subscription na na-receive mo. Again, outside, no, sa content ng sentence mo, yung pong statistic, no, or the data ng mga nakuha mong, let's say, comments, views, number of views, and subscription of each video na na-transfer mo on the YouTube. Meron po yung title, just simple as that, title, tapos ilan yung pumansin. Labas na po ito ha, yung breakdown dun sa sentence. Pero kailangan ko po makita sa yellow pad. Again, nililinaw natin. It composed of 2 paragraphs only. The comparison of your narrative, comparative feedback, YouTube, and live streaming. Labas na po sa sentence nyo yung pong breakdown, no, ng each video and subscription of you guys. Dun po part ng ipapasa nyo sa akin sa yellow pad. Malinaw po yan. And thank you so much.